Music alert: Sami Kay and MSA tease powerful Afro-House single Amanxeba. South Africa's vibrant Afro-House scene has birthed another potential anthem, and it comes from none other than rising vocalist Sami Kay and producer MSA. The duo recently teased their upcoming track Amanxeba with a snippet that's already stirring excitement across TikTok and YouTube, and fans can't wait for the full release. If you followed Sami Kay's journey, you know his voice carries both emotion and elegance. Having worked with MSA before on tracks like Njai Kalini, their chemistry is undeniable. This new song builds on that connection, blending Sami's silky vocals with MSA's polished Afro-House production to create something both heartfelt and danceable. Amanxeba is a word from isiZulu meaning scars. That one word sets the tone. This track isn't just for the club, it's about healing, reflection, and emotional depth. From the snippet alone, you get a sense that the full track will walk the line between soul and rhythm, telling a story while keeping your feet moving. Based on the teaser, expect rich Afro-House instrumentation, soulful, expressive vocals, a modern groove grounded in African identity. It's the kind of track you'll want to play on a Sunday afternoon and at a late-night set, equal parts spiritual and sonic. Social platforms have already picked up the snippet, with fans praising the production and demanding a release date. On TikTok, hashtags like #Amanxeba and #SamiKay are gaining steam, helping push the track into the spotlight before it's even officially out. The snippet went live in early July 2025, but no official full release date has been announced yet. If you want to be among the first to hear it, keep an eye on Sami Kay's social channels, it could land any day now. Amanxeba isn't just another Afro-House track, it's a song that blends culture, emotion, and rhythm in a way that feels distinctly South African yet globally resonant. If the snippet is anything to go by, this could be Sami Kay and MSA's biggest moment yet. Stay tuned, and turn your volume up.